Cuba is a fascinating country with a rich history, vibrant culture, and breathtaking landscapes. From the colorful streets of Havana to the pristine beaches of Varadero, there's something for everyone in Cuba. Havana, Cuba's capital city, is a must-visit destination. Explore the narrow streets of Old Havana, admire the colonial architecture, and visit the famous Malecon seawall. Don't miss the chance to see a live salsa performance at one of Havana's many clubs. Trinidad. This UNESCO World Heritage Site is a beautifully preserved colonial town with cobblestone streets, colorful houses, and charming plazas. Visit the Museo Nacional de la Lucha contra Bandidos to learn about the Cuban Revolution. Vinils. This scenic valley in western Cuba is known for its tobacco farms and stunning landscapes. Take a horseback ride through the valley, visit a cigar factory, and sample the local rum. Varadero. If you're looking for a beach vacation, Varadero is the place to go. This resort town on the north coast of Cuba boasts over 20 km of pristine white sand beaches, crystal clear waters, and a vibrant nightlife. Ropa Vieja. This classic Cuban dish is made with shredded beef, peppers, onions, and tomatoes, and is served with rice and black beans. Lechon asado. This slow-roasted pork dish is a favorite in Cuba, and is often served with rice and plantains. Tostones. These twice-fried plantain slices make a delicious side dish or snack. Cubans are known for their friendly and welcoming nature. Despite economic hardships, Cubans have a strong sense of community and place a high value on social interaction. Music and dance are an integral part of Cuban culture, and you'll likely hear salsa and other forms of music wherever you go. In terms of transportation, most Cubans rely on public transportation or walking, although you'll also see plenty of vintage American cars on the streets. Cuba is the largest island in the Caribbean. The United States trade embargo on Cuba began in 1960 and is still in effect today, although some restrictions have been lifted in recent years. The Bay of Pigs invasion in 1961 was a failed attempt by the United States to overthrow the Cuban government. Cuba has a literacy rate of over 99%, one of the highest in the world. I hope this guide helps you plan an unforgettable trip to Cuba. Don't forget to immerse yourself in the local culture, try the delicious food, and enjoy the stunning scenery.